going on YouTube? Moto Mike back with another vlog.
3 hours later.
What's going on YouTube? Moto Mike back with vlog number 2 here. Today we're working on a 29 KTM 250 XSF. We're doing a graphics kit install. And this is my boy here, Tyler. Trying to get this camera flipped around for you guys.
6 hours later.
What's going on YouTube? Moto Mike back with another vlog here. With my buddy here, Tyler. This guy decided to wear the same hoodie as me today. You know, thinks he's like my good boy or something here. This is his 2019 KTM. We're gonna show you guys a little walk around in a second. He's taking off some grips. We're doing a replica Red Bull GoPro kit install. Let's go. And we'll give you guys a little walk around here in just a second. This is the bike he picked up a couple weeks ago. Got it in the same day I picked up mine. We did a little road trip day. Very successful pickup. A very low hour bike, pretty clean. This is the graphics kit here. The part of the graphics kit. We just started the back fender. First off, Red Bull TLD GoPro kit. Just give you a little pan shot of this thing. Pretty clean, pretty much stock.
15 hours?
15 hours on the bike. It's got the WP air forks. It's got the push to start. Just installing Scott grips. Just got this one on. Gotta get the other one on. But yeah, let's get a time lapse going for this in a couple minutes. We'll show you guys the final result, or most of it. It's pretty cold in this garage. You know how Canada winters are. This is Tyler's bike from last year, 2017, YZ250F. Got a little Fast House Fox graphics kit on her, Decor ribbed seat. It's pretty clean as well. The reason for switching bikes was just because the hours got a little bit high on this one. He wanted to change it up, get a feel for KTM. Yeah, I wanted to try something different. There's nothing wrong with changing brands, getting a different feel. So yeah, that's where we're at. This one's listed for sale currently. It should be on its way out soon. Let's get to this graphics kit install for you guys, and we'll show you a couple time lapses and see how this kit looks tonight.
and wide, not enough, and Christian Craig is buying in the lead.
Well, but this is for the championship. You can see right now. I love Hunter Lawrence's enthusiasm right here. Not here.
Of this main
That's a
event.
nice Honda there.
The first chapter of this 2022 season is about to end. We're moving east, out of California, away from the West Coast. The dynamic of this championship will change. This is the last one in the open stadiums of California. 450 main event, wraps up, gate down, we're racing.
So I got stuck up on the gate. I think that was Bono. Oh my God, swinging.
Roxy makes a mistake.
Oh, he gets
He's got the stanky leg on the tough one.
And he is dead last.
Anderson looks good.
Wow, you know what? This is what we wanted. And these riders have found that elite speed. They know each other well. We've talked about it multiple times this year. They've been racing
Still looks
20. But what do you do here? Do you go for it now?
Oh.
Yes, you do.
Oh.
Great move by Anderson to get it back. And I'm going to ask you, do you be patient
This is
here?
gonna be crazy.
You don't want it right now.
only 12 points back if they finish. This is how it finishes right
Look at
here.
him now. He is happy. All that work, attention to detail pays off. Jason Anderson, Monster Energy Kawasaki wins in Anaheim.
Oh yeah,
Second for Tomac.
New Mexico.
Third for Barsha, and he is happy too, Ricky. He's bounced back. His last podium was at Oakland in round 2. He needed that, and he got it.
Great bounce back for that Troy Lee Red Bull Gas team. Great to see.
Seen that burn the tire off the fucking.
Jason Anderson, Eli Tomac, Justin
Really?
Barsha. He is so pumped.
What's going on, everybody? Well, we finally got that graphics kit on. It's about time. Super excited for the riding season. A couple more pieces left. Just got the seat and some grips, and yeah, and then she'll be dialed. She's just about there. So looking forward to it. It's gonna be a good time.
Yeah, so it's 2 in the morning, guys. Took us a while. We just dabbled in some Saturday night Supercross. You already know how it goes. You've seen the clips from earlier. Anderson with the dub. Let's go, Team Green, baby. And yeah, we got a little reveal for you guys. We're gonna clip it in here just in a second. Thank you for everyone who's supporting so far and for future supporters. It's much appreciated. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what types of videos you want to see. And here's the reveal for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Peace out.